Welcome to our series on predictive maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to walk you through how to create a predictive maintenance program that enhances your equipment reliability and empowers your maintenance teams. You'll learn how to structure your team, set goals, choose the right tools and technologies, and keep up with performance metrics. Let's get started. Let's dive into how you can create a predictive maintenance program that will boost your equipment reliability and strengthen your maintenance teams. This program will allow your skilled technicians to focus on assets that are important to your organization while boosting overall team results. The keys to success here are organization and involvement from a broad range of internal team members. Remember, buy-in from the entire team is crucial for successful adoption. First things first, you need to build a predictive maintenance team. This team shouldn't just include members from the maintenance department. In fact, a broad membership gives your efforts more power by building advocates who understand the goals of predictive maintenance. This could include key individuals like production or customer service managers, or even folks in the warehouse. When different departments understand the predictive maintenance process, it gives everyone confidence in the process and the work to follow. Next, you'll need to select a champion for your predictive maintenance team. This person leads the team and should be familiar with the technical details of asset maintenance and understand how different departments work together. The champion and the team will be responsible for selecting equipment for the program, determining available resources, grouping the equipment by the suitable predictive maintenance technology, purchasing equipment, services, and training for the initial effort, and monitoring the predictive maintenance process and reviewing results to determine necessary adjustments. Now let's talk about defining goals and resources. Your computerized maintenance management system can provide key information about assets and their components. It may also include important items like the priority of certain assets. Understanding asset priority helps the team determine the order of work needed for predictive maintenance implementation. Establishing what resources are available shows the importance of asset ranking. The primary resource constraint is usually money, which is necessary to obtain the predictive maintenance equipment and pay the employees or contractors to use it. The fourth step involves selecting a method for data acquisition. Using predictive maintenance involves getting the data collector device ready, gathering the data, downloading the data, and reviewing the data. These activities take about 30 minutes per each asset at the beginning of the program. That's why most portable predictive maintenance collection is done on what is called a route. Wired systems do not take as much labor to collect and analyze data, but wiring or configuring these systems take more time in the early phases of the program. Wireless systems offer an alternative between wired and portable collectors. Often referred to as IoT devices, they take scheduled or continuous readings and send data to your system via Wi-Fi. The fifth step is to define frequencies for readings and meet them. A key element of predictive maintenance is comparing current readings with previous readings. The regularity of the readings is what helps identify potentially failing components. A full-time employee dedicated to predictive maintenance can adequately monitor 320 assets per month. To help achieve the recommended frequency, resources can be stretched. For instance, you can use a non-technical employee to collect data, which lowers your predictive maintenance costs and frees up trained technicians to respond to findings. Next, you'll need to select technology, tools, and vendors. Purchasing predictive maintenance equipment or services should match the equipment that best fits its proven abilities. It is important that predictive maintenance organizers understand that some tools are better at finding issues than others. For example, vibration analysis is best for rotating equipment, and ultrasonic analysis systems can also find a noisy, failing, rotating equipment component. The seventh step is to use multiple predictive maintenance tools for a single asset. A problem can be solved by using two predictive maintenance technologies simultaneously on a single asset. For example, a whey processing plant was experiencing equipment failures with one of its large centrifugal units. The vibration analyzer determined that the issue was likely a bearing, but the location of the bearing was difficult to discover because of the skin. The ultrasonic tool was used to determine the location of where the failing bearing was probably located. The infrared resources were also attempted, but it would not work. However, had there been an electrical concern, the infrared unit would have quickly depicted the issue before others. Finally, the eighth step is to monitor performance and commit to excellence. Hold predictive maintenance teams accountable for their performance. They should consistently review findings from the predictive maintenance process and celebrate their victories. The predictive maintenance program can grow as it proves its effectiveness by reducing emergency and unplanned failures. The power of the committed team will make this happen. So there you have it. 8 steps to creating a successful predictive maintenance program. Remember, the key to success is organization and involvement from a broad range of internal team members. Thank you for watching. We've covered the 8 key steps to creating a successful predictive maintenance program, from building a team and selecting a champion, to defining goals and resources, selecting data acquisition methods, defining reading frequencies, selecting technologies, using multiple tools for a single asset, and finally, monitoring performance and committing to excellence. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more about predictive maintenance and how UpKeep can help your team excel, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your success is our priority. Until next time, stay productive and keep improving.